Hello, so we're here at Wood Wonders Cabinet Shop. So we got this 5-piece countersink set of bits. Usually we use this to pit drill when you're building cabinets. That way you don't split the wood. Or in an occasion when we spray shells, we pit drill underneath with the countersink bit. So this goes in there. That way it doesn't crack the wood. So we're gonna show you how it's used. So this is the original we have. When you get them in the package, they're like this. The bit is not out. You need to have it sticking out an inch, or it depends on the length of your screw. And it comes with an Allen wrench. That way you unscrew it here, and you just pull the tip. Really easy. There you go. You tie it up again. So now we got the tip already where we want it. We like this, especially with the green. One that we have, and this is the new one that we're going to test out. As you see, they're really sharp. It's a carbide tip, so be careful that you don't hit any screws or nails. Really easy to use.